Thutha wa gutangika na kunyamarika kwa miaka miingi, arimi a nguku cia nyama kaunti-ini ya Kiambu riu ni manyitanite niguo gwetha kihonia kia mathina mao mari hamwe. Kuringana nao matariirie ati urumwe wao ni ukurehe uguni munene hari gwetha kihonia kia mathina mao mari hamwe, mugaru na uria makoretwo magitabania urimi ucio o mundu kiumbe. Mathina ta ma thogora wa tucui na kuheo tucui tukinyaniru, thogora wa irio cia kurithia nguku ici na thoko ya kwendia nyama wona nguku icio ciathinjwo niguo utumite macokanirire, makiuga mburuka iria imaguragira nicio ikoretwo ikiheana thogora, undu uria ukoretwo ukihinyiriria murimi na njira nene.
Uniting as broiler farmers, because as farmers we have faced very many challenges, especially in terms of marketing. We produce as individuals and sell as individuals currently, and that way we have been suffering a lot because we go with the market, what the market is offering in terms of prices, and we cannot do this anymore because we are being kicked out of the market.
Serikali ikitetea wakulima wa kahua, wa majani, wakumbuke kuna wakulima wa kuku wenye tungetaka hata sisi tuwekwe pamoja na hao ndio biashara yetu ienee katika nchi yote.
We coming together to make sure with the numbers we are able to negotiate for better prices for the raw materials. In terms of the feeds, in terms of the chicks, we are able to negotiate for good extension services from the ministry. We working closely with the county government because they have the extension officers who are supposed to work within these regions, and so we hope to work with them.
Riu mari na kioneki gia gwaka githinjiro kiao kugia na ngari cia gukua nguku icio rondu umwe na nyama niguo kuhotithia murimi kuheana thogora wa nguku ciake.
Tuweze kuwa na kichijio chetu kama wakulima ama kama hili shirika letu za wakulima wa kuku wa nyama, tuwe na kichijio chetu, tuwe na gari zetu ambazo zinaweza safirisha kuku walio hai kupeleka kichijio, na magari ambayo yako na refrigeration yanaweza chukua kuku kutoka kwa kichijio kupeleka sokoni.
Kunyitana kwao ni gukumahotithia kugia na githii kiao kia irio cia kurithia nguku ciao niguo kugwithia thogora wa iguru muno uria makoretwo makigura irio cia nguku ciao.
Within the processing facility, we're looking forward to work with the food and safety handlers or the meat inspectors to make sure that then our birds are inspected and we able to get to the market the best quality that then should be getting to the market to curb any issues around food safety.
Ihinda-ini riu ningi ni mahithuritie ati mari na itanya ria kuhingura mikawa na duka cia kwenderia nyama ciao niguo kugia na thoko njega ya kwendia nguku ciao oro undu umwe na nyama, na uguo murimi gukorwo akigunika na njira nene makiria. Ngiguithiraniria maria marahanika kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Njau ya Kinothia.